kayo nung first breakup, first girlfriend, tapos hindi mo nag-fall out or nag-cheat pa?
It doesn't really affect me kasi if it's cheating, for me, bilis ko mag-move on. Kasi I know my worth as a person, and if you think hindi tayo bagay or you think someone is well suited for you, then maybe I'm not for you, and that's that.
Siguro kasi nga dahil na naramdaman niya sa'yo, niloko ko.
Yeah, pero paano pag in love ka? Ito, masakit yun. So, sa mo, di ba?
I was too...
I was too young. That's no excuse. Hindi nyo alam yung kanta. Nakakahiya. Okay, anyway, si number 2.
Wala order nila ka na.
What's up, madlang people? Kumusta?
Okay. Ilan taong ka na, ano? 24, di ba? Bigla nakasulat pala nila kasi, nakailang girlfriend ka na.
Bale, yung talagang girlfriend ko, isa pa lang po.
Ayun, alam mo, ikaw rin, kailan. Anyway, halika. Kilalanin na natin ang gusto naman si Ed at ang bestie niyang si Leyna. Gusto ko lang matanong, Ed, anong mga tipo ni Leyna?
别墅里面唱 K， 水池里面饮龙鱼。我送阿硕茶具和研磨下笔，直接给我4个字算大展宏图。大事亲手提笔字，大展宏图，搬来放在办公室。哎，大展宏图，关公都点头。有料，鸿运不能总是当头，因为当老。他说要玩就要玩得大，玩得大点。贼船越大，老鼠还坐得下，养下宠物。得罪小人没关系，得罪君主看不起。世上君子不贪杯，得得罪了道。对，黑灰蓝白道义有道。逆流才会水涨船高。